Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to stop or permanently disable the Windows 11 update. So steps will be same for Windows 10 as well. So let's start without wasting our time. So first of all, open the services and run this as an administrator, and we need to look for Windows update in a W series. Press W and look for Windows update. You will see here, just make a right click on it and go to its properties and simply disable this, and if it is running, stop this and click on apply and click on OK. Now as you can see, status is disabled now and it is not running. So this is the first step, but this is the temporary one. Windows will not update automatically, but if you want to remove it permanently, you have to open the registry editor as an administrator. Click on yes. So we need to navigate to the H key local machine. Just double click on it, and here is the path. H key local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, software, then look for policies, this option, then Microsoft. Once you double click on Microsoft, double click on Windows. So now we need to create here the Windows update key here. So just copy this, and this is the path you can see here. So you need to right click on the Windows, then new, then key, and right here Windows update as here. Okay, so you need to right click on Windows update, the key we have recently created, then new, then key, type here AU in a capital, hit enter. Now on the right hand side, right click, new, dword 32-bit, type there no auto update, like this. Starting letter should be capital, enter, double click and change its value to 1. Now restart your system guys, and your update will be not coming automatically, and we have permanently disabled the automatic update. So if you want to re-enable in a future, make a right click, modify and change its value to 0 now, and then restart your system. Okay, so as you can see, one is created here. So this is how guys you can permanently disable the Windows update on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.